In this video we will create a simple tilt shift effect. First open your character with the camera. In my case it's the third person template character. Inside of the blueprint go to the camera boom component and set the target arm length to something high like 1250. This is important because under camera we will make the FOV lower. I will set my FOV to 50. And that's all you need to change in your character. When we press on play now, we already see a change to what we want to have roughly. Now create a new post-process volume in your level. In the volume, search for aperture, activate it and set the value to something low like 1. Then change the sensor width to something higher like 250mm. Then activate the focal distance and set it to the same value you gave the camera boom in your blueprint class. In my case 1250. And finally activate infinite extend so that the effect is displayed over the whole level. And that's it. Thanks for watching, subscribe and like if you enjoyed. Bye.